I'm Ron Isaacson, and this video shows how to install the Idea Shuffler software. If you already have a version of the Idea Shuffler software installed, pro or free, uninstall it before installing the new Idea Shuffler software. You can uninstall using the standard Windows uninstall capability from the control panel. To install the Idea Shuffler software, first locate the install file that you downloaded from the Idea Shuffler website or you got from your email. Double-click the install file. Depending on your operating system and how Windows security is set up, security windows might pop up or warning windows. Just click on whatever allows you to continue with the installation. So we'll click through the security window. The Welcome to the Idea Shuffler Setup wizard will pop up. Click Next. The license agreement will then pop up. If you accept the agreement, click the I accept the agreement option. Then click Next. An information window will then pop up that you can read if you want to. When you are done, click Next. The Select Destination Location window will then pop up. Leave it set to the default location. The Idea Shuffler needs to be installed in Program Files /Idea Shuffler or Program Files x86 /Idea Shuffler to work properly. You must have at least 90.3 megabytes of free disk space. If you don't have this much free disk space, then click Cancel. Otherwise, click Next. The Select Start Menu folder window will then pop up. Leave the default selection set and then click Next. The next window allows you to create a desktop icon, which is highly recommended. Click Next. The Ready to Install window pops up. Click Install. The installing window pops up and shows the install progress. When the install is complete, the Completing the Idea Shuffler Setup window will pop up. Leave the Launch Idea Shuffler option selected and click Finish. If this is not the first time you have installed the Idea Shuffler on this computer, the last model you were working on will be loaded and you are on your way. If this is the first time the Idea Shuffler application has been run on this computer, you will be asked to enter a new model file name. Make sure you select a folder that you have full access to. Do not select the Program Files folder. So browse to where you want to put your Idea Shuffler model. Select a folder or add a new folder for your model. So I will add a folder, and I will call it Idea Shuffler Test. And then put in a model name, and I will call it Test Model. Click Open. And notice that we have a new model called Test Model. So I'm going to click on the Load Model button, and you'll notice that the Idea Shuffler software put in a Models folder and then put in the test model .vcat, which is the file extension for Idea Shuffler model, and added the folders, pictures, and documents. So I'm just going to open this file again. So anyway, that completes installation of the Idea Shuffler software. We'll start adding concepts and associations. I'll just call it Test 1. Test 2. Add an association. And you're on your way. So now I will exit the Idea Shuffler software. Now you can start the Idea Shuffler by double-clicking the Idea Shuffler icon. Notice that the last model you had opened is loaded, in this case, Test Model. You always load a model from the Idea Shuffler software using the Load Model button. You cannot load a model by double-clicking the VCAT model file. So thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoy the Idea Shuffler experience. Go to ideashuffler.com for more information and videos about the Idea Shuffler software.